The iVANKY Mini DisplayPort to HDMI adapter is a compact and seemingly durable solution for connecting older Macs and other devices with mini DisplayPort outputs to modern HDMI displays. This adapter specifically targets pre-2018 MacBook Airs, pre-2016 MacBook Pros, and similar generation iMacs and Microsoft Surface devices. It's important to note the incompatibility with Thunderbolt 3 and 4, USB-C, or newer MacBooks. So if you're rocking an older device, this might be your ticket to big screen bliss. iVANKY emphasizes the adapter's build quality, highlighting the gold-plated connectors, braided nylon cable, and slim design. This robust construction aims to prevent interference and ensure a stable connection, promising a long lifespan. The adapter supports resolutions up to 1080p at both 30 Hz and 60 Hz, which is perfectly adequate for presentations and casual video playback. While it supports audio pass-through for uncompressed digital 7.1, 5.1, or 2 channels, the listing recommends pairing it with an iVANKY HDMI 2.0 cable for optimal audio and video quality. Keep in mind that the HDMI cable is sold separately. One potential drawback is the adapter's limited resolution. While 1080p is sufficient for many uses, it won't satisfy those seeking 4K resolution. Also, the compatibility restrictions are a significant factor. Double-check your device's specifications before purchasing to avoid disappointment. The 54-month conditional customer support is a nice touch, adding peace of mind to your purchase. Overall, the iVANKY Mini DisplayPort to HDMI adapter appears to be a reliable and well-built option for users with older devices, offering a straightforward way to connect to HDMI displays. Just remember to factor in the resolution limitations and compatibility requirements before adding it to your cart.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.